Alright, how's it going, guys? So, I started filming a little late. I should have started in the beginning, but I'll show you what I got. I got the pressure washer. Shout out to Simpson Professional Series. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I was gonna get the one a bit bigger, but so far so good. And we'll come back up here. So the reason I used the pressure washer was because there's existing electrical and water lines somewhere near this trench I needed to dig for the new electrical, and I didn't want to hit any existing stuff. So there's our little wishing well. I'm wishing. Just kidding. Let's see. That's the pump. It's usually sitting in this housing. And that's the pump house. Pressure tank is in there. Above ground pump to pump it to the house, etc. And you can see the boxes on the sides. Electrical. Here's my trench. That line, you can hardly see, it's kind of camouflaged in mud now, is going down, yikes, in this trench, which, as I said, I blasted out with the pressure washer, and it worked really well. I'm not gonna lie. I think Gold Rush kind of gave me the idea. I might not be washing away mountains or finding ounces of gold, and I don't have a big, huge, awesome gold eating machine called Big Red or Slucifer, but one day. So yeah, it's probably like, I don't know, 15 feet, about 4 inches by 4 inches wide, about a foot deep, and about 15 feet long. It took me an hour. Would have taken me, shucks, a good part of a whole day probably with a pick, and it would have messed my back up way too badly in my pretty little hands. So yeah, pretty stoked. Now I gotta sink that in the trench and get some fill on it and call her a day. Thanks for watching.